Good morning. We'll continue with our topic Tagore's views about death in Gitanjali. The next point we'll like to discuss is that the poet's heart didn't have any fear of the approach of death. The poet addressed in a poem to his friends, to whom he says, quote, "At this time of my parting, wish me good luck, my friends." He tells them that he is about to start on his journey with empty hands and like an expectant heart. He would put on his wedding garland and not the shabby and drab dress of the ordinary traveler. Means he wants to approach death with happiness. There will be dangers on the way, the poet says, but he has no fear in his mind. When he nears the mansion of his lord, he would hear the twilight melodies coming from its gate. Here too we can see that the poet's attitude is one of a perfect acceptance of death. The mood shows or depicted is serene and tranquil. There is no fear at all in the poet's heart of the approaching death. The poem offers a lot of consolation, comfort, and courage to the readers to face death with open arms because it is invincible. It cannot be, means nobody can deny this fact of life that one day we have to approach to this path of meeting the Lord. Now, the poet also says that death is like a transfer from one place to another, means from one life to another. In one of his poems, Tagore says that because he loves this life, he shall also love death. There is, of course, no logic in this statement, but it shows that Tagore is totally accepting death as it is. There is no logic here because he who loves life would want to prolong his life, but would not therefore love death under any circumstances. Means a person who loves life would not like to stop this life or bring a standstill. However, Tagore supports his argument with the example of a child who cries when it is removed from the right breast of its mother, but who feels comforted the very next moment on being given the left breast to suck the milk. So, in a way, he tries to give an example that from moving this life to another is like from one comfort to another, means we are going from one home to another, which is the home of our eternal Father. In other words, death for Tagore means a transfer from this life to another life, which awaits a man after death. Now, in one of the other poems, Tagore says that he has tasted all the hidden sweetnesses of this life, which is comparable to a lotus opening its petals wide. That means he has had his play in this playhouse of the world, and that his whole body and all his limbs have thrilled to the touch of God. He further says that if now the end comes, he would not mind it at all, because he feels that it is going from, after enjoying all the sweetness of this life, he is moving on, or he is being transferred to his another home. So there are no reservations with Tagore while he accepting death. He fully accepts death and he doesn't have any reservations about it. In one of the poem, Tagore says that in the end his pride will go to the wall and his heart will become empty like a hollow reed. Means a time will come when nothing will be left for him, nothing whatever, because he will receive utter death at God's feet. In the next poem, he says that there is no point in resisting the will of God. That means that he has accepted this fact that whether we resist or not, this is the ultimate end of a being, and that we should be ready to surrender to death when it comes to us as at God's behest. In the poem that follows, Tagore says that only by dying will he be able to appear before God and surrender himself to the divine power after singing songs of worship in honor of God. In all the poems, we can see that there is a full preparedness for death in Tagore, which he regards as the climax of life. Death is like a climax of life. There is absolutely no resentment that we see in Tagore when he thinks about death. There is no feeling of revolt in his heart against death. His attitude towards death is one of perfect stoicism, and this is an attitude which we must admire and which we must adopt ourselves towards death. These poems of death in Gitanjali are among the best in this collection because of the way in which the theme of death has been handled by Tagore. The language of these poems is very simple, and the language has its own music and melody. At the same time, we find a charming effect and spontaneity in these poems, which seem to have come straight from the poet's heart, because the poet has thrown open his heart about death and its invincibility, and that we should accept death with open arms because we cannot deny this fact of life. Thank you.